Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette, and today for obviously my monthly clean my room video, I'm back with it. And this time my room was literally messier than it's ever been in the past year, so definitely some satisfying cleaning footage for you guys to watch. You guys always seem to like my cleaning videos anyways, so I guess it's not a big deal that I do one once a month. Yeah, like I said, my room is so messy. The next cleaning video I'm gonna do is probably gonna be my closet, so stay tuned for that very satisfying closet clean with me. I'm obviously don't know what I'm doing anymore when it comes to filming videos, because I took a little break filming because I had pre-filmed so much, and I feel so awkward right now filming videos, and this is the new angle, and it's really weird. So I'm just gonna shut up and show you guys the before so you can see how messy my room actually was before I finished cleaning. So let's just do it. So here's this area, here's the floor. I literally can't walk really. So my vanity, it's just really bad. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do. And now my room is clean. Let me show you guys the overview now of what everything looked like. So now walking in here, this is my nightstand. Here's my bed. It's gonna be a mess in an hour or so, but it's clean now. Here is the floor. I really couldn't walk before, but now I can. Here's my vanity. This area is filled with my planner, my pens, my Ipsy box that I have to do a video for, and just my vanity. Here is stuff for miscellaneous haul. This is garbage, and this is recyclable garbage. And here's just the bag to use next. And there's my empty garbage pail. And here is my dresser. And here we are back to the beginning. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and supporting me. And this year on YouTube has been crazy. I feel I went up and down, but I'm I really love doing what I do, and I really appreciate everyone's support. So I just want to say thank you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below if you think cleaning videos are one of the best videos to watch on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because like I said, I post cleaning videos all the time. So definitely subscribe if you like cleaning videos. Comment down below if you would like me to upload 3 times a week in the month of January instead of 2. So I think that's all I have for today. So again, thank you for watching. If you're still watching right now, comment down below what you want me to clean next for you guys. And with all that being said, I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!